Hello, I'm Jill Boggs, CEO of the Kosciusko County Convention and Visitors Bureau. Welcome to our beautiful Visitor Center. Kosciusko County is located in northern Indiana, and the Visitor Center is here in Warsaw, Indiana. The Visitors Bureau is your resource for all things Kosciusko County. We define a visitor as anyone who wants to come here for leisure travel, maybe corporate business travel, group travel. A visitor can also be someone who wants to live here, who wants to work here or start a business here, or if they're an entrepreneur. We can help connect the dots and get you in front of the people you need to be in and help you with the information so you can have a great experience when you arrive. We provide information in a variety of ways for those that want to connect with us. We have our award-winning visitor guide. This is also digital on our award-winning website at visitkosciuskocounty.org. You can connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. We also, in our Visitor Center, have information not only on Kosciusko County, but you can come in and look at brochures and get information about travel to the state of Indiana in general. We have information from the northern, central, and southern half of Indiana. Bureau team is here to help you connect with all the great experiences in northern Indiana's Kosciusko County. We invite you to live well in the moment.